Okay, here's a Belsaw 9142 planer. Uh, I just wanted to make a short video to show that it does run. It's got a switch down here. Turn it on here. It's running good. I'm not an expert with procedure on these things. I haven't used one since high school woodshop class. Let's see what happens here. I believe she's working. Handle comes right off there. This will flip up. It don't look too bad, I think, for as old as it is. I think the blades look pretty decent, and I know you can still buy them. And you can use the 9103 manual is what the Belsaw guy told me. It's like the chains could probably use some oiling, but I don't know. They look to be pretty decent to me. So anyways, there it is.